Number 6, live streaming.
You, yes you, can be a star on live streaming internet video. Now that may sound exciting and fun to you, or that actually might strike absolute terror into your heart.
Either way, when you get good at live streaming, it can make you a lot of money.
Yes, with the advent of services like YouTube and Facebook Live, you can have many sellers and buyers watching you face to face and actually considering doing business with you from the privacy of their home.
That's the beauty of live streaming.
And you can use it to attract sellers and buyers.
Live streaming will drive future business.
It already is. We love our virtual 1-hour sales where we do live streaming.
So how do you make it happen?
So what's the buzz? What's the tech?
The top live streaming service that we use is called StreamYard.
Now with StreamYard, you can go out over the internet on 5 platforms at the same time.
5, so simultaneously. This means you're just filming live on one of these 5 and it goes to all 5 of them
Yes.
simultaneously.
So you're shooting on your device and this is going out over 5 different platforms. So here's the 5 we use. One is Facebook Live. That's always,
right.
You're always going on Facebook Live.
Number 2, YouTube.
Number 3, LinkedIn, which we talked about just now.
Number 4 is Periscope.
And number 5, of course, is Twitch, which a lot of you have never even heard of.
Now, we also use Instagram, but that's separate.
Yes, Instagram, they don't play nice with others, so you either have to record with a separate device at the same time, like have 2 devices recording right next to each other, or after you record with all the other 5, just upload to their video service, the IGTV, which we talked about when we were talking about Instagram, right afterwards, and that's what we actually do.
We'll go a lot more in depth with you on your live streaming on our consulting calls when you're ready for that.
Yes, after you get going with this and you've got all your profiles and you're all set up with these different services, with the YouTube, with the LinkedIn and all the other ones, then we'll get you going on your live streaming. The great thing about the live streaming is it lets you see a lot of people and yet keep your social distance. Now you should be thinking ahead right now for some exciting event type video that you could set up that you can shoot to attract a live audience. That's why the 1-hour open houses, the live open houses, the virtual open houses are a natural for that.
So let's show you how to get wired up to StreamYard for your live streaming. Step number 1, launch your Chrome or other supported browser. Step number 2, sign up for StreamYard if you haven't already. And that's real simple, just to sign up for StreamYard. Number 3, connect a destination to stream to. So this is where you can do the multiple social platforms, up to 5. And which one does not play nicely?
Instagram.
Number 4, create a broadcast and go live.
That is so exciting, and that's how you're going to use your incredible live streaming to get some live ones.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.